Want to make browsing on Chrome safer? Let me show you how to turn on a setting that forces secure connections every time. Start by opening the Chrome app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open Chrome's main menu. From this menu, scroll down and tap on Settings to access your browser's configuration options. Now scroll through the Settings page and select Privacy and Security. This is where all the important safety features are found. In the Privacy and Security section, continue scrolling until you see Always Use Secure Connections. This option ensures that Chrome always tries to load the HTTPS version of websites. If the site doesn't support it, you'll get a warning before the page opens. To enable it, simply tap the toggle switch next to the setting. Once it's on, your browser will upgrade every possible site to a secure, encrypted connection. That means better protection for your passwords, personal info, and browsing activity, especially when using public Wi-Fi. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe for more simple privacy tips.